Hey, are you ready? Clap your hands. Let's learn ABC with animals. Let's go! A is for alligator, snap, snap, snap. B is for bear, clap, clap, clap. C is for cow, moo, moo, moo. D is for duck, quack for you. E is for elephant, stomp, stomp, stomp. F is for fox, swish non-stop. G is for giraffe, hi, hi, hi. Reach up, touch the sky. Clap your hands, clap, clap. Stomp your feet, stomp, stomp. Move your body to the beat. A, B, C, dance with me. Animals from A to Z. Jump, jump, 1, 2, 3. Come and learn the ABC. A, B, C, dance with me. Animals from A to Z. Jump, jump, 1, 2, 3. Come and learn the ABC. H. H is for hippo, big, big, big. I is for iguana, crawl so quick. J is for jellyfish, wiggle, wiggle. K is for kangaroo, jump and giggle. L is for lion, roar, roar, roar. M is for mouse, on the floor. N is for newt, tiny and sweet. Tap, tap, little feet. A, B, C, dance with me. Animals from A to Z. Jump, jump, 1, 2, 3. Come and learn the ABC. O. O is for owl, hoo, hoo, hoo. P is for penguin, waddle too. Q is for quail, quick, quick, quick. R is for rhino, stomp so big. S is for snake, T is for turtle, slow like this. U is for unicorn, shine so bright. V is for vulture in the sky. W is for whale, splash, splash, splash. X is for x-ray, fish, flash, flash. Y is for yak, moo, moo, moo. Z is for zebra, sings with you.